Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce debt over time with Discover Card easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Discover Card account using your preferred device. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to check your current balance. Identify the amount of debt you owe and note down the interest rates on each balance. Next, set a realistic monthly budget that allows you to allocate funds towards debt repayment. Consider using the debt snowball method by paying off the smallest debts first. Make the minimum payments on all other debts to keep them active. Use any extra funds from your budget to pay off the smallest debt quicker. Once the smallest debt is paid off, redirect that payment amount to the next smallest debt. Repeat this process until all debts are paid off. Alternatively, explore the balance transfer option if you have high interest rates. Discover often provides promotional offers for 0% balance transfers. Make sure to read the terms thoroughly before proceeding. If you choose to transfer a balance, ensure you continue to make at least the minimum payment on the new balance. Set reminders for due dates to avoid late fees and additional interest charges. Consider using Discover's tools such as spending alerts and payment reminders. Track your progress within your Discover account regularly to stay motivated. Revisit your budget monthly to adjust as necessary for any changes in income or expenses. Explore other debt reduction strategies such as negotiating lower interest rates if possible. Stay committed to your repayment plan and celebrate the small victories along the way. By following these steps consistently, you can effectively reduce your debt over time with your Discover Card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.